Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the skeleton anglerfish in Fish It Roblox. So the skeleton anglerfish is an epic tier fish in Fish It, and this predator is rare and it can be found here inside the sacred temple. If you want to catch this one, you need to first sail out to the ancient jungle and go inside to the sacred temple. And you can just use your bass rod and bait combo and go to your favorite spots in here in the sacred temple. But for me, here I'm using the element rod and also singularity bobber. And this is the location where I got the skeleton angler fish. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button.